Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. Today, I am back with another summer DIY scrub. As summers are almost here, our skin tends to develop dullness, and it also loses its glow. So, I am very sure that this DIY scrub will be very helpful for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. Ingredients. Ingredients required for this DIY homemade skin polishing scrub for glowing skin are: spoon, bowl, gram flour, curd, honey, vitamin E oil, alovera gel, rose water. Procedure. Take a bowl and add about 2 teaspoons of gram flour in it. Gram flour helps in skin lightening and also helps in removal of dead skin cells. Then, add some vitamin E oil of your choice into the bowl. If you don't have vitamin E oil, then you can use 1 vitamin E oil capsule instead of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is a source of vitamin E to the skin. It helps in skin polishing. Now add curd half teaspoon to the mixture. Curd makes skin smooth, fair and glowing. Now, add about half a teaspoon of honey to the mixture. Honey helps in giving a glowing complexion and also acts as a moisturizer. Add about 1 teaspoonful of aloe vera gel and mix well. Aloe vera gel helps in preventing acne and also adds a nice shine to the skin. It makes the skin look fresher. Then, add some water to it and mix well until you get a smooth paste. Apply the scrub onto your skin. Start scrubbing for 5 minutes. And leave it for about 5 minutes. Then, rinse off with warm water. And pat dry. I am in love with this scrub, as it makes my skin look polished. The best part about this scrub is, it is very economical. And you can get a glowing skin from the comfort of your home. Benefits of the scrub. It leaves your skin super soft and polished. It helps in removing the dead skin cells. It also helps in clearing out the dirt from the skin, and leaves a beautiful shine on the skin. The more regular you use it, the more beneficial it is. So use this remedy and make your skin glowing, fair and bright. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If so, then do share and like video. And hit the bell icon for notification. And subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.